Would you believe that Gambia has so many different faces? This face is a face of luxury, beauty, and nature. And I thought I'd share this memory with you guys. So, enjoy. Greetings and welcome. So, today I am at African Princess Hotel, relaxing. Something different from the usual, and I'm starting to realize how good and important it is to have a change of scenery. It feels good just to relax in a different settings. So just remember, as always, whatever it is that you're doing, make sure that you are enjoying it and that it's something that you really want to do. Big up yourself, big up all your dreams, and big up all your aspiration, big up positivity all the way.